In this video, guys, I'll be telling you how to make and upload shorts video on your iPad, guys. To do that, guys, first of all, you have to make sure that you have this video editor, guys, on your iPad. So you can use this simple video editor. So let me show you which one I'm talking about. So that's it, guys. That it's actually, guys, InShot. You can install this InShot app video editor, guys, as you can see. So just open it once you install and just click on videos and choose any video, guys. So I'm gonna choose first video. So I just recorded some game video, guys, over here. So what do you need to do, guys, now to make a short video? First of all, you have to just choose your canvas or the background for your short video. So you have to tap on this option, canvas option at the end, guys. Can you see this canvas? Just tap on it, and now you have to choose the size for your short video, guys. So it must be, guys, 9:16. And now next thing you can do it, you can just stretch out your video, guys. So select your video and stretch out. And yeah, guys, then now you just need to make some changes, like you can edit your video, you can make some cuts, guys, in the video, and you can also add subtitle to your video. Once you've done that, guys, just export your video, guys, to the any guys quality you like. And once you export this video, now the next step is you just need to upload. You just need to make sure that you have YouTube application on your iPad. So let's export this video first, and then I'll talk about later. Once you've done that, once you're done with your video, guys, now just uploading your video as a short video. Then you can do one more thing here. Now you have to open your browser, guys, and make sure you are logged in with your YouTube account. Studio.youtube.com, guys. Just search for this and it will take you to this studio, Roblox YouTube Studio. And now, guys, you just need to tap on this create button over here and just tap on this upload video. Now, if you upload any video, guys, in the 9:16 ratio on this Studio Roblox YouTube Studio, guys, on the browser, it will detect automatically as a short video, guys. So let me show you that. So let me upload it, guys, and as you can see, it just detected this video as a short video. So yeah, that's how you can do it, guys. Hope you like it. So yeah, you can upload your video, guys, over here as a short video on your browser. If Roblox, if YouTube app is not recognizing at a short video, then you can use browser, guys. I hope you like it. Subscribe for more video. Till then, bye bye.